Hello, everyone. Welcome to Pbolic Notes. My name is Michael Kirkchin, and today is Tuesday, April 12th, 2022. And I'd like to share with you some ideas that I've been paying attention to today in the cryptocurrency space, specifically with what's going on with Bitcoin this week. And let me share with you what is going on in this space. Before we get started, just a full disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make sure you have all your advice, all your investments, double check with your financial advisor before taking action in any investments, especially in this highly volatile cryptocurrency space. Let me share with you my computer screen and just show you what I'm looking at today. So as far as where is Bitcoin trading at today as far as its pricing is concerned, we noticed that in the US dollars, it's in the last 7 days, Bitcoin's gone down 12%. And also the price today is hovering around 40,000 US dollars. Why is this important? Because if you look at the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, which are really two of the most important moving averages for the Bitcoin's pricing, we remember a little while back, we had gone below these two indicators and around December 6th. And by Bitcoin being below the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, what it did was it basically had a very negative impact on the altcoins, like let's say the Solanas, the Ethereums, and Avalanche, and so forth. And then finally, when we had gone above it, it was a positive sign. But then we noticed that right now, again, as of April 11th, the weekly candles, again, it's below this 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. So what that means is that these two moving averages weren't able to hold Bitcoin's price of support. Hence, we've dropped again below the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. Now, if I look at the Fibonacci retracement of what Bitcoin may do, and again, this is I'm just opening a chart that I've already worked on, and you can look at one of my past videos that I've done about this to show how I do the Fibonacci retracement. We see that based on where we're at today, with Bitcoin's price being approximately in the $40,000 US mark, it may, depending on how it behaves in the next little while, this may potentially go, if it's going to follow the Fibonacci indicators, Bitcoin may go as low as $35,000 US dollars. And if it can move back above these moving averages, which were the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, potentially it can go and hit the $53,000 US mark before tracing right back downwards. Now, of course, there's no guarantees in any investment. There's no guarantees in any, especially in this highly volatile cryptocurrency space. But by me looking at how Bitcoin has behaved in the last couple of days, what it does is that when it does go below these moving averages, the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, this has a direct negative impact on the altcoins. So if I look at what, let's say, Ethereum has done in the last couple of days, so as we recall, Bitcoin was trading in this price range around April the 4th, meaning that that week Bitcoin traded on the open, it was at around 46,000 US dollars. And the close, it was at around $42,000 US. And if I look at what Ethereum has done in the last couple of weeks, so we noticed that from the week of March the 14th until the week of March 28th, Ethereum rose quite a bit from 2,500 US dollars all the way up to 3,400 US dollars. So that was an excellent couple of weeks. And since then, right now it's hovering around $3,000. So meaning that it's gone down from this 3,500 mark down to the $2,000 mark. So that's a good 12-15% drop for Ethereum in basically a couple of days. So, and then if I look at some other altcoins such as Solana or let's say Avalanche and so forth, we noticed that even Solana as well. Again, it was acting very bullishly for a couple of weeks when Bitcoin was above its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, and since then, just like Ethereum, it's also all of a sudden seen a dip. It went down from 130 US dollars all the way down to right now it's hovering around 103 US dollars. And you're going to see this kind of behavior with the other tokens as well. So Avalanche, same thing again. So that's why Bitcoin is such an important indicator for the rest of the ecosystem. That's why it's very important for us to pay attention to what it does, because the way it behaves is really going to dictate how the rest of the ecosystem is going to behave as well. And I'll just do one more other chart as well I'll do NEAR, because NEAR a lot of times doesn't really follow Bitcoin to the T. So I'm curious to know how NEAR's behaving, let's say with, yeah, so I see NEAR again, it's holding its ground. So it's, even though Bitcoin is below its 20-week SMA and a 21-week EMA, NEAR protocol is still kind of hanging in here around the $16 mark. And I'll do just for fun, let's look at one more protocol as well, maybe Polkadot, which is really a layer 0 protocol. And then let's just compare that to how it's doing against the US dollar. So Polkadot as well is behaving a bit like Solana and Ethereum and Avalanche, where it had a good couple of weeks when Bitcoin was bullish, and all of a sudden now it's gone a bit bearish as well. So I will keep an eye out to how Bitcoin behaves. Again, I'm hoping that we can go in this territory above these 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. And I'll update the channel in the next couple of days, depending on what Bitcoin does. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.